Hey, time to put the solar panels on. I got 4 100-watt solar panels. Let's see if we can't get them on the roof. Hey, how y'all doing? Just another day working on the boat. If you're new to the channel, what I'm doing is I'm building this boat right here. It's a 24-foot Landau pontoon boat. I am putting a structure on it so I can float down the Great Loop from Hannibal, Missouri to Panama City, Florida, down the rivers. And what I'm doing today is I'm doing some painting right here on some 1x4s and 1x6s that I'm going to put up in the front of the boat, and I'm going to have my name, Lojomarine, on it. And then the 1x4s are going to go on the sides of the boat up top there. And that's just to cover up the linoleum and just give it a little bit better look. I've got to tell you though, the closer it gets, the more nervous I am. I'm worried that the structure is going to be too heavy. I'm worried that I don't have everything ready that I need. But we're going to go in detail about everything that I have on the boat and all my navigational tools and the parts and the water and the food and all that a little bit later in another video. But just wanted to come to you and show you a couple things that I'm doing. Stay with me. Okay, got the painting done. Let's go hook up some gauges. Alright, here we are inside the pontoon boat, the shanty boat. I have a couple of gauges I'm going to hook up. One of them is my voltmeter right here. It doesn't work. I did buy a brand new one, and it's down here underneath the cabinet, which I'll show you. I did hook it up just to make sure it works, and it does. So I'm going to put it inside the console here. And I also have a trim gauge that I bought that I'm going to put right here in this little corner piece. And I'll show you how we do all that. But I also have a brand new hummingbird fish finder that I'm going to install right here. And we'll get it installed. And that'll give me my depth and fish, and sometimes I think this is just on a loop. So a lot of people says that it's not, but I think it is. But it doesn't matter. It shows fish going across the screen, so it makes me happy. Plus it gives me my depth. Let's get started. For me to get underneath the console, I have to remove this seat because I'm too fat with the seat being here. Here we go. I'll show you what's under the dash. This is the new voltmeter. It's a Sierra, and I hooked it up just temporarily to make sure it works, and it does. So I'm going to try to put it up here in the console now. Here we go. Hey y'all, I am so sorry. I was hooking up the gauges and everything, and it started to rain, so I had to cover the boat up real quick, and rain. But hey, go ahead and leave a comment, share the video, give me a thumbs up if you liked it.